Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today is a little haul. It's been really hot in the UK, so I wanted to get some summer bedding from my catalogue that I have, and I saw it on sale. It was really inexpensive. I think it should have been about £30 and it was about £14–15, and I really do love yellow, as you probably all know, because I'm always using yellow eyeshadow. And I saw this one. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it though, that's the problem. So I saw that, and it's got flowers on it, but it's also got like bumblebees on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the wash first and wash it, and then hopefully put it on the bed later on. I'll show you what it looks like when it's on the bed, but I mean, I think I'm just going to write this month off as a bad month. I bought quite a few bits and pieces, so we'll write August off as a bad month, and we'll continue the low buy again next month. I'm not going to be buying anything else this month, I don't think, but I'm a little bit disappointed with myself, because when I was on the website it brings up recommended products that you may like, and it brought this one up, Sigma Rosy, and I've been looking at this on Beauty Bay for ages, and I wasn't going to get it because I thought I'd just get it in the Black Friday sale, but this was on sale, guys, so I couldn't just leave it there. I'm going to do some swatches on it, but I've never ever tried Sigma eyeshadows, and Kelly Gooch uses this all the time, and it looks so beautiful on her, but she's beautiful in general, so I'm not expecting it to look that good on me. But yeah, these are the shades here. Isn't it such a pretty palette? So yeah, of course I broke my low buy again, because I'm not supposed to be buying makeup. Anything else like bedding and things that I need is fine, and clothing as well, but makeup, I started the low buy not to buy makeup, and I've only lasted a month. Like in May I bought some Colourpop products, and I didn't buy any makeup from the end of May till the beginning of August. So I did really well there, but ever since August has hit, I've bought quite a few bits and pieces, and yeah, I'm glad to have it, don't get me wrong, but I'm a little bit disappointed that I caved. But I did get it at such a good steal. I think it was £12.50 and it should have been 25, so, or 22, or something around that mark, so I got quite a good deal on it. But yeah, they're the only two products I got. I could have gone completely mad and bought more because they had quite a lot. They had the Sigma Fiery as well, you know, the orange one that they did, and I put that in my basket, and then I looked at it. I went straight to YouTube and looked at the looks that you created with it, and it was really warm toned. And I know you guys say that I suit warm toned eyeshadows, but there was really warm toned, full of oranges and whatnot, and I don't often use those kind of shades, so I thought it would be pointless, and took that out of the basket and just left this one in along with the bedding. So this concludes the video. It wasn't a long video. I'm going to do the swatches in a separate video, and I'm just going to go and put the bedding in the wash now, and I'll come back later in this video and show you what it looks like, or I'll take a picture of it and show you what it looks like, maybe the picture. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't know whether I'm going to take actual footage and show you, or take a picture of it, but yeah, I'm going to put that in the wash now. Right, lovely, so this is what the duvet looks like on. It's really pretty, a lot prettier than I thought it was. That's just my book that I've been trying to get through for the last year and a half. I don't know what's wrong with me. I love reading, or I used to. I've been more into YouTube these days, so yeah, I put it on there. I think I'm going to have a nice good read and try and relax. So it's completely reversible. It's got all these nice, let me straighten it out a little bit, flowers and bumblebees there, but it's white, and I don't always do too well with white. Now I've creased it. I put it in the wash before I put it on the bed because of, you know, the pandemic and things. Normally I would just put it straight onto the bed, but it's better to actually put it in the wash anyway because of starch, isn't it, when it's in the cardboard. Ignore that contraption over there. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's a bit of a mess over here. I need to clean it up a little bit. This is my CPAP machine, and oh my gosh, guys, I did on last night, for 2 hours. 2.5 hours, and I think that's quite good. I've been having it on for like half an hour here and there, and I'm just really tired all the time with it. So I'm going to see my consultant on the 20th of August, so I'm really gonna tell him what I think of this contraption. It might work for some people who've just got obstructive sleep apnea, but I've also got central, which I'm going to go more into depth in another video. So yeah, that's that. This is the book that I'm reading. So Susan Lewis, Missing. It's a really good book. Like I said, you know, I have read quite a bit of them, 3/4 of the way into it, so I just need to persevere with it now. Let me know if you're reading anything good. I would love to know. I'm going to try and really get into reading, and then obviously I can show you better on the cushion what the quilt looks like. It's just really beautiful. I'm glad I got it. And I got it at such a discounted price because they're going to be selling winter stock soon, aren't they? So yeah, I got it at such a good price. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. I'm not going to show you the rest of the room because it needs a good clean. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this duvet, what it looked like on my bed. So let's go back across. And that's what it looks like. I've got a bottle on the floor, so please ignore that. This concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.